Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Fit Facts. As you're all aware that we are focusing in Chapter 1 12 weeks workout program, today we are moving to our new lecture of Week 7 and 8. Wait, if you are new on channel, so please, first go back and watch my previous lectures to update your sequence. Let's start. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get in touch for new lectures. In weeks 7 and 8, we start applying progressive overload. Increase your weights and decrease rest time to continuously challenge your muscles. Day 1 starts with warm-up. Do that for 5 minutes. Exercise number 1, squats with dumbbells, 12 reps, 3 sets. Squats are a foundational lower body exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, primarily the legs and glutes. Benefits: strengthens the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Enhances core stability by engaging the abdominal muscles. Improves overall balance and mobility. Increases calorie burn by working large muscle groups. Boosts athletic performance, improving jumping, running, and overall leg strength. Promotes better posture and can aid in injury prevention. Squats are excellent for building functional strength and toning the lower body. Cardio: 1 minute, jump rope or running. Exercise number 2, push-ups with elevated feet, 12 reps, 3 sets. Push-ups with elevated feet increase the intensity of traditional push-ups by shifting more weight onto your upper body, especially the shoulders and upper chest. Benefits: targets the upper chest, shoulders, and triceps more effectively than standard push-ups. Builds upper body strength and improves shoulder stability. Engages the core muscles to maintain balance and control during the movement. Enhances overall push-up performance by increasing difficulty. Helps improve functional strength for activities that require pushing motions. This variation is great for those looking to increase upper body strength and push-up difficulty. Cardio: 1 minute, burpees or step-ups. Exercise number 3, dumbbell rows, 12 reps, 3 sets. Dumbbell rows are a strength training exercise that targets the upper back, shoulders, and arms. Benefits: strengthens the back muscles, particularly the lats, rhomboids, and traps. Improves posture by working muscles that counteract slouching. Engages and tones the biceps and forearms, providing a balanced upper body workout. Helps enhance overall pulling strength, which can improve performance in other exercises. Promotes better balance and stability through unilateral, one side at a time, movement. Dumbbell rows are a great exercise for building upper body strength and improving functional movements. Cardio: 1 minute, shadow boxing or sprints. Exercise number 4, leg raises and bicycle crunches superset, 12 reps, 3 sets. Congratulations, we have completed all exercises for today. Repeat these exercises in both weeks on daily basis. Next lecture will be uploaded tomorrow. Please follow the channel by like, subscribe and comment your remarkable suggestion for Dr. Fit Facts betterment. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Fit Facts. As you're all aware that we are focusing in Chapter 1 12 weeks workout program, today we are moving to our new lecture of Week 7 and 8.